Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest methods to make money online, but how to start as a beginner, that makes it very difficult. So in this video, we are going to discover the best platform that you can join as a complete beginner and begin to make money online. Hello guys, welcome back once again. My name is Richmond and I'm the owner of Profitable Side Hustle channel. And the main reason for this channel is to show people how to make money online, do affiliate marketing, SEO, and then all those stuff. So if you're a person who wants to make money online, you can consider to subscribe to this channel because we have a lot of content that we are going to discover. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share this video. And if you have anything concerning what you're about to learn, you can comment down below. So first of all, let me take you through what an affiliate market is. Affiliate marketing is a situation whereby a company is having its own product and you decide to promote this product for a commission, and you can earn from 0.01 to $10,000 depending on the type of product that you are promoting. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Guess one of the biggest affiliate marketing platform that you can join as a complete beginner today, and then you make money. So ClickBank, these are the sign up process. So they have countries that ClickBank is available, and you can see from there you can sign up to ClickBank and you can make money. So you select your country, type in your first name, second name, last name, sorry, and then you type in your phone number because that is going to help you to verify your account, and type in your Gmail or email address, and then you insert your password, confirm your password, and then you click on terms and continue. So you click you mark this small box over here, and then you click on you click to continue, and you're good to go. So after creating your account, this is how the dashboard is going to be like. Yours is going to be 0000 like this, because this is a complete new account that I'm going to show you, and you can search for the marketplace over here. So this is the marketplace. For this one, whenever you get a sale, you're going to earn $135.35 dollars per sale. So imagine you getting 100 people to buy this product, you can make a lot of money as a complete beginner. Yes, so you have top offers and then other offers. So according to your niche, you can select according to your niche. So these are the categories according to your niche. So if you are doing art and entertainment, you can go by this. Betting system, you can go by this. Business investment and all that, you can according to your niche, you can select a product and then you promote it. So this is number one on my list, and number two on my list is actually Digistore. Yeah, digistore24.com. Digistore24.com is also one of the biggest platform that you can join as a complete beginner, and then you make money on a go. So Digistore is actually online sale platform that offer you an integrated online store, and as an affiliate marketer you can make money, and then you can set your payment method, and whenever you make a sale you can withdraw your money as simple as ABC. So let's move on to how to sign up to Digistore24. So it's also simple as ABC. You just choose your username. So your username can be your nickname, and then you type in your email and then your password. Because I'm having an account, that's the reason why you see this password over here. You repeat your password and you select one of these. So as an affiliate, you select this one. I am affiliate, primarily promote product of other vendors, and you accept their B2B contract and then policy and accept them, and then you click on continue, and simple as ABC. They are going to verify your account, and you're going to be on this dashboard like this. where yours is going to be 0000000. There is no going to be a promo link over here because mine have created 22 promo links that I'm promoting now. So very soon I'll begin to cash out, and whenever I cash out, I'll let you guys know that I've made money on the store. So this is their marketplace. You can click here to go to their marketplace, and that's where you're going to discover their product that you can promote and earn money. So this one too is categorized according to niches. So yes, it's categorized according to niches. And for this one, whenever you promote, you can earn around $24. Yes, $24, and it continues to this one too is having $195 per sale, per sale. So 64, as there are a lot of product over here, and you can see over here they have 914 resource over here that you can join by just clicking on promote now, and then you create your custom link, and then you create with that link. So that's number 2 for you. Number 1 is ClickBank, number 2 is Digistore, and then number 3 is CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate is one of the best platform that I really love to promote their product because it's like impact affiliate. That one too, whenever you sign up, you type in cgaffiliate.com. All you need to do is to sign up as a partner. Yes, and commission by partnering with most widely organized brands. So all you need to do is to just sign up as a partner, and this is the sign up process. You select your language, country, type in your email address, password, and then repeat your password. You confirm this captcha, and then you verify your email, and then you're good to go. So CJ Affiliate is very easy to register, and you're going to end up like a dashboard like this. So that one too, you can go by advertisers. Right, that's where you're going to click, and then they're going to take you to where you can find your product, and then you promote. So number 3 on my list here is CJ Affiliate. So number 4 is ShareASale. ShareASale is also one of the best companies that affiliate marketing platform that you can join today to make money online. Yes, it's one of the best. Yes, it's actually one of the best affiliate marketing platforms. So ShareASale is one of the best. So this is the dashboard. As that one to sign up as an affiliate. Sign up as an affiliate. You can sign up as a merchant, my agency, or affiliate. So sign up as an affiliate, and you're going to take you to a dashboard like this. Yes, I'm going to take you to a dashboard like this, and so you insert your username, and that one too can be your nickname. You choose your password, confirm your password, and then you choose your country, and then simple as ABC, your account will be created. And that one too, you're going to end up on a dashboard like this, and that's where you're going to find a lot of merchants to promote their product for them. So also one of the best platforms. And then last on my list here is Impact Affiliate, impact.com. Impact Radios is also the best I've ever experienced, because they have, but one important thing about Impact is how to get accepted is the most difficult thing. That yes, it's very difficult, but whenever you get access to Impact, you can. And that one to applying for the applying to promote some brand is very difficult, because some of them will decline you. Unlike ShareASale, when they decline you, you can't actually you can't request that product again. You can't reapply again. But impact, you can reapply, and then whenever you are accepted, you can promote that product and you're good to go. You can earn money per lead, per sale. So per lead means whenever you get somebody to sign up, just sign up and then confirm, or sign up and input the input the credit details or whatever. Just sign up for a trial version of a website. Yes, they will pay you maybe $5, $10 according to the brand. And per sale means whenever you get somebody to buy that product, you can earn a commission. You can make money online, as simple as ABC. So our next meeting, I shall take you through impact, and then I will take you to how to promote a product on an affiliate platform. Yes. So guys, thank you very much for your time, and don't forget to subscribe if you want content like this. And last but not the least, click on the like this video and then comment down below. Yes. So until I see you in my next video, don't forget that Richie does love you guys. So bye bye for now.